Hi, I'm a data analyst. I'm Menik, and this is a simple car. Now, this can be human driven or can be autopilot mode. Now, if this car is in autopilot mode or driven by not human driven, how that this car makes decisions. Now, this car makes decision using range of sensors around this car. It will gather data externally and will send them to a central location, and then from that location it will make decisions to whether this car to move forward, to turn or backwards. Now imagine if you go in this car and met with an accident. They will take you to the hospital, and the hospital staff will start to gather range of data about you, temperature or heart rate and oxygen levels and so on. Now what they do with that data to understand how serious the situation as well as to prescribe medication for you. Now this data can be structured or unstructured. The structured that car generates and the hospital, your blood pressure, hospital staff needed, those data are structured data. But unstructured data, like the conversations that you added into your social media and some survey results or images, they are unstructured data that may need processing before actually analyze them. Now we are connected with each one of us ever before than human history. Meaning is that we can use our phone to connect with everyone using social media and to give calls and so on. Now if you go and press like, that generates one data point. But one single data point doesn't really explain anything. If we all together add likes to that post, or if we add more text or messages into that post, then it will create a collection of data. Collection of data will help us to understand, analyze, and to generate meaningful insights for decision making. I'll use very recent example, that one of the recent examples. Now we have been hearing these statistics for last 2 years, mainly about the cases reported for 24 within 24 hours, tests reported and currently hospitalized and currently in ICU, currently in ventilator and so on, and totals as well. Now we are trying to answer a couple of questions, and if you look at the modeling that they have done with this data and collectively with other data is amazing. How impactful COVID-19 for different age groups, and distribution of vaccinations, how children are spreading the disease, can we open schools, and what restrictions can be lifted. Now data as a collection we can sort, group, visualize, and we can tell a story using data. And that story can be used in decision making to make decisions. Primarily, data reduces the risk of our decisions. Without realizing, every day we use data to make decisions. And if you think about this, there is a whole vocabulary about data. Google is a simple example. Googling, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, data mining, the list goes on. We use every day data in our life to make decisions. And again, data can be used in order to do predictions. For an example, to identify diseases such as cancer, by analyzing your blood results can be predict your future diseases. And also that is when we use data in modeling to predict the credit risk and so on. So data is really helpful for us in every day, and there are so many growing careers in data: data scientists, data analysts, reporting analysts, and data engineers. So you can imagine how data is helpful for us. Thank you.